In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a team on Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. When you're working in Figma, you might find yourself needing to tidy up and remove a team that you no longer use. It's a straightforward process, so let's walk through the steps together. First, you will want to navigate to your team projects. Open up Figma and take a look at the menu on the left side. You should see an option labeled Teams. Click on that and it will bring you to a list of your current teams. Now that you're in the Team Project section, find the specific team that you want to delete. This makes things a bit easier, as it's important to double-check that you're deleting the right one. Once you identify the team you want to remove, go ahead and click on it. Next to the team name, you'll notice a small drop-down menu icon. Click on that. It can be easy to miss, but it's right there next to your team name. This menu contains various options regarding your team settings. After clicking the drop-down, you should see an option labeled Delete. Click on that. Now, before you proceed any further, Figma will prompt you to confirm your decision. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions, which is very important. To confirm that you really want to delete the team, Figma will ask you to type in the name of the team. This verification step helps ensure you're making the right choice, so go ahead and type in the exact name of the team you are about to delete. Once you've entered the team name correctly, you'll see the final step on the screen, a button that says Delete Team. Click on that, and just like that, the team will be permanently deleted from your Figma workspace. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so make absolutely sure that you are ready to proceed. Now to recap the process. First, you navigate to the Team section in your Figma menu. Then, you find and select the team you want to delete. After clicking the drop-down menu next to your team name, you select the Delete option. You will then need to type in the team's name for confirmation, and finally, click Delete Team to finalize the action. And there you have it. Deleting a team in Figma is quick and requires just a few steps, but it's always important to think carefully before deleting anything, just to make sure you don't lose any important work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. I'll be back with more tips and tricks to help you navigate and utilize Figma effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!